Ka jingangnud ka balas lembha jeng paidbah ka dong ka thaiñ Maweit ban yono dak surak ka babha manta kasi kalawan ban urlong Hadien bo muntirang ba ka jala konrat ki sangma manta kasi ulap ple yu maunong rem nak banta ban snano ya kani ka surak dong sañ Maweit ha Maweit was ka sales ya kani ka surak ba arplai kilometer la panyo lengba ka Meghalaya integrated transport MITP ya ka bala baitingka da ka wall bang ha ka jinglut ka wakot hadu kanai pupra kulur bat ka por ban pendep kan long lai pundu banai ya kani ka surak sedang nalat riang du Shillong ka badan marjan bat ka jingking kawa nong den hanong stan bat kan kut pat ka jingking banikong jong surok na hala Maweit ka bayai lengba ka nong pendeng maulai nong trau wa lindo nong sba maudong bat meang sang
Yang Chief Minister, yang Deputy Chief Minister, Lemba, Jongkaki Kresom Jongki, Bangilayo, Mentaksni, yang kene Ban Rake Kerpang, nak bertawan pria kene Kwanungrim. Lemda, Kimia Ai, katakan tiga man tiga yang nak bertajonga kamut kane kasurok wat nomut ba nginyo nakabasuk. Namarati ba habang ngayon nanti akan ikasurok nongstoy Maweit baka rengdo hahim ngatingku cige kapapon ba habang ngayon nanti sipang habe sa department sipang habe sa sekretariat nrenado nitong kumbang alawan haka arja katra ngalaai bakalaai kataga kasuran sapi lalangiwan aga sorkar ngindre sitong kataga deka komitmen tunga hakatopor
habakran kumkong san ukon ong kani ka dong ka thaiñ ka dei ka bala sa iben las lembha ba lopan pauru ya ka jingmen ba kani ka sorkar sa sisien ka sim ya karai ban pynurlong ya ka jingangnud ri paidbah ki bala lembha ba lopan kan maru ba ho ajar ka khnyo ulawan hakani ka chaka ban simanta haka ICYM conference bat ka jinglong jingman jong ka surok ka dei ka basni ba
to lay the foundation stone for this very, very important road. I know that this is just the beginning, just a part of what different developments are required in this area. But as a government, we have believed that ensuring that good roads are there in different parts of the state, important road infrastructures which are needed, is the basis of any future development for any part of the state. If roads come, other developments follow. But without good roads, we will not be able to see the kind of economic development, the different kinds of services that the area and the people need will never be fulfilled. And hence in the last 5 years, minus the COVID, this government has stressed on ensuring that we invest the maximum on infrastructures like good roads. And I am happy to tell you that like the long-stowing Maweit road, which has been neglected for decades, like that there are many, many roads which were neglected for decades in the state. Today, in these last 5 years as government, this government has taken up those important roads. And work has started. Our Honorable MDA from Nong Soy had shared with you the different projects going on in the whole of West Khasi Hills. Hundreds and almost close to 1,000 crores of roads today are being constructed in West Khasi Hills as we speak.